Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we're looking at an orange ink from Diamine. Diamine Deep Dark Orange. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. This is our comparison panel. It's a nice deep dark brownish orange. Cool. Here is our ink swatch that will go to inkswatch.com later on today with our water resistance test. It does seem to have a little bit of water resistance, but not quite enough that I would put it on the outside of an envelope. Here is our ink splotch test. It looks really cool. So, how is everyone doing today? Are you having a nice day? I hope you're having a nice day wherever you are in the world. Here's our toilet paper chromatography. I see orange, and then another lighter orange, and then yellow right along the outside. So that's really cool. Let's do some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. 80 GSM Rhodia dot pad. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering. Oh, that's the day before's, so not that, but down here. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. It does look like it's feathering into the page. And it did ghost a little bit. I might not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide ruled notebook paper. It is feathering into the page, and it bled through. I would not use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford College roll paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. It does look like it's trying to feather just a little bit. And it did ghost just ever so slightly. I would still use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's do some comparison panel. This is Diamine Deep Dark Orange with Monteverde Topaz, Monteverde Orange, Monteverde Mango Mousse, KWZ Monarch, Ferris Wheel Press Autumn in Auburn, Birmingham Solar Storm, Pin BBS 154, Califolio Inti, Kyoiro Moonlight of Higashiyama, Pure Pins Pending Sands, Giabon Cornaline de Egypt, Diamine Vintage Copper, these could be brothers, Diamine Sunset, Colorverse Tango, these are pretty similar too, Diamine Pumpkin, Mont Blanc Lucky Orange, Birmingham Marigold, Tatcha Shirako Koyami, Van Diemen Sailor's Delight, Diamine Peach Punch, Diatramentus Mahatma Gandhi, MMD California Sunset, Sailor Manyo Yamabuki, Noodler's Summer Tanager, Noodler's Operation Overlord Orange, Giaba Orange Soleil, Diamine Peach, Sailor Apricot, Noodler's Apache Sunset, Stipulate Saffron, Lamy Mango, Monteverde Topaz, Monteverde Mango. Now, because it's such a dark orange, I did want to look at some browns just to kind of compare to see if there's any browns in here that might even come close to what we're looking at here. I'm just going to run through my browns really quick. There's Diamine Golden Brown, Diamine Terracotta, Diamine Autumn Oak, Diamine Sepia, Graf von Faber Castell Cognac Brown, Giabon Nude, Giamon Raw Sienna, Diamine Saddle Brown, Diamine Brandy Snap, Robert Oster Astor Keys Rot. These could be cousins. Noodler's Beaver, Noodler's Red Black, Noodler's Polar Brown, Giabon Lee Dete, and Noodler's Rum Burning. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for an orangey brown? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.